What if you could remove the background from any image in just one click? Then place yourself anywhere you want. A beautiful street, in front of your dream house, at a party, or any background you can imagine. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's Background Remover to create clean, professional cutouts in seconds. Open Canva and select the image you want to remove the background from. Then click on BG Remover, and Canva will automatically remove the background in just a few seconds. Once your background is removed, you can place your image anywhere you like. Simply go to Elements and choose any background you want to use. Add it to your design, then open Layers and click Send Backward to place the background behind your image. That's it. You can repeat the same process and change your background as many times as you want, creating completely different looks with just a few clicks.